In the state of Georgia, every adult has to wear a seatbelt in the front seat of every vehicle, including pickup trucks. Recently, laws have changed regarding child safety restraints. All children under the age of 8 years old must be restrained in some type of seat, whether it be a 5-point harness or a booster seat, unless they are 4 feet 9 inches tall or 57 inches. If you have questions regarding child safety restraint laws in the state of Georgia, come to the Sheriff's Office. We have multiple child safety restraint technicians, and they can inspect your car and help you install your car seat correctly. If you would like to schedule an appointment with a child safety seat technician, call 770-443-3010 and request an appointment with a child safety seat technician.